Well, a very warm welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely beautiful. Perfect for the beautiful game. Temperatures are kind as well. No doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely this is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be. It is a venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game it stages. One of the most impressive arenas in this part of the world. It does have a distinctive feel. And so, the national anthems. Quite some performance, and now here comes the response. Parties, not least the neutrals who've just come to enjoy it.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
The whistle. Who do you, Jim, see making the difference here?
Well, Landon Donovan, I think, deserves to be highlighted. Arguably the best player the US has ever produced. He always plays with an intelligence, imagination and invention, and a real creative force in this team. And his battery never seems to fade either.
Well, quite no argument for me on that one. Tries to get it forward quickly. That is as far as they're going to go. Goodison. Balboa. Brena. And back to base. Lala. Tries to locate someone up front. Hoists it forward. He's made sure that that won't get through. Dempsey. Brena. There's the cross. Gets up to head it! He's tried one! There it is!
It's hardly a surprise, is it? That's what we're here for. A player with this wonderful knack of being able to show up and deliver at important times. Yet another example.
Donovan duly reaps his reward, kept his cool whilst the defence lost their bearings.
Oh look, there's only one player who merits all the praise for that. Not only did he finish it, but his instincts for being where he was are absolutely top-notch.
Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Goodison. Skill Cole. Low. Skill Cole. De La Peña. Great run on the overlap here. Angle in. Oh. And it's played forward. And now the breakaway. Brainer. Brings it forward. Oh, shooting chance! It's a goal! Hot knife through butter. They have done it again.
The keeper deserves some sympathy there. He may not have seen that until too late.
Things starting to look very comfortable.
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
And he's onside. Oh, great ball! It's sprayed out wide. Defending of the desperate variety. This could spell danger. He just whacks it away. It's a brilliant interception. Breaks on here. There's no flag. Dempsey. Oh, well intercepted. Really alert to the danger. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, it's die-hard defence and the willingness to put his body on the line. Very impressive.
He's got options out wide. Oh, looks like he's been taken out there. Good run, ultimately thwarted by an astute piece of defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there.
Well, the further he went, the more attention he attracted. There was just way too much pressure for him to get...
Massive leap! He's missed, but not by that far.
That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then.
Forward it goes. Dempsey. It has Donovan! And for a moment, time stood still.
Well, it was just some wayward passing that let the opposition in then, and I have to say, a very lucky escape. You lose it there, you expect to be punished.
Balboa looks to bypass the midfield. He's dealt with that well. And it's been taken straight back. Oh, terrible pass. He's got away. Just the keeper. He's had a shot.
I can't speak highly enough of the keeper after that save. Can't stop thinking about it.
Angle in. Malcolm. Driven towards the far post. Goes for goal! Good stop, that wasn't easy.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
Knocks it away. That looks a good ball. That's not going to find its target.
Max Law.
Could move up a gear here. Hoists it forward. And that's been levered clear. Jones. He could be in, tries a shot! And it's played forward. Oh, it's a searing run. He is a man on a mission. It's good distance on it. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Gets it upfield. Just brushed off the ball there. Low. Reaching half-time and still behind. Can they make something happen now? Oh, it's a searing run. He is a man on a mission. Has gone out. Gorgeous control there. Well read, he sorted that out. Jones. Donovan.
Max Law.
Jones. Tries to get it forward quickly. Defenders on the back foot.
Skip Cole.
Gets it back. Brown. Low. Brown. And it's played forward. Hoists it forward. Donovan. Jones! Oh, a decent effort as the first half draws to a close. Reflections on the first half?
Look, Peter, this isn't good. Their body language is not encouraging, and the manager must have a major verbal impact, or else.
There's the start of the second half.
Look, before they might get too carried away with thoughts of getting back into the game, they can't afford to slip up and concede another. The next goal becomes crucial.
Angle in. And again, they run up against stubborn defending. He's had that put, has a hit! No mistake! The second half off to a spectacular start! Perfect placement, the one place the keeper couldn't reach.
Well, you know, sometimes it pays off not to think too much about things, just put your foot through it, and that was a good example. Great contact, and the keeper had very little chance.
Number 16.
We have got ourselves a game here.
Scoring early in this half just takes the pressure off now and allows them a chance to be a bit more patient in trying to level things up.
Oh, that is asking for trouble. I think that's a corner. Yes, it is. Great leap! And a second time! Tries to get it forward quickly. Boyd. Skill Cole. Whistle's gone and the referee has given a penalty. And that is a huge moment in the context of the game.
Yeah, well, they were exposed and vulnerable, and he knew he had to do something to prevent a goal then.
Just never going to miss.
Well, the keeper certainly guessed right, but there was enough power to find the target.
We have ourselves a real game here.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way.
Forward it goes. And the shot! In it goes! And they get themselves in front! That's no fluke, it's what he was there for.
Oh, Peter, you can't teach that. You either have it or you don't. His anticipation is on another level to everyone else's. Superb.
His second of the game, and an eye now for the hat-trick. There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Well, the referee's seen the board and he's going to allow a double change to go ahead now. So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here? Gardner gets on the end of it. He's got options in the box if he gets his head up. Fence has got rid of that. Max Moore. Jones. Donovan. Good take. Has a go! Good idea, just poorly executed. He's making good use of his strength there. Just Donovan! Oh, nearly, but nearly is nothing.
Donovan did give it a fair old crack, and he'll be encouraged to step up again.
Done very well to intervene. Dalbour battles to win it back. Has a pop! It's off target and by quite a way. Gardner tries to get it forward quickly. Maxwell. Jones. Donovan. Has it out wide now. It's a very good battle there, terrific to watch. Out to the right. Chance to play it in, and it's hoisted clear. That's been won straight back. Shapes to shoot. Danger averted for now, and it's played forward. Oh, good interception. Brown. That's the sort of defending that is going to upset the opposition. It already has, actually.
Yeah, and getting on the score sheet has clearly made him a marked man now.
Malcolm. Really good feet. Delivers across. Away from immediate danger. This has gone, that's a foul.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score. Obviously, he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he?
Just the talking to, I think. Yes, it is. He's got the ball glued to his feet. He's got the ball, he's got the shot at goal! Clearance and very necessary. And the lead stays intact, just.
Oh, that'll be a major disappointment for him. That should have got his team back in the game. Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
Hoists it forward. And it's played forward. And it's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Malcolm. Boyd. Right. Donovan. And the counter is on. Is there any support? He might not need it.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will...
He's gone for it!
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now. Fired deep towards the back post.
Is it out of harm's way?
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
Here it comes.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Forward it goes. And the finish!
I think it's time for them to concentrate on closing this one out.
Gardner tries to get it forward quickly. Hoists it forward. Tries to get it clear.
Well, it remains to be seen whether they can come up with that little bit of class to rescue this situation, and it needs to be any time now, really.
Gets it back. Boyd. Hits one! He can pounce on that. He has done it! Dying minutes, and we're all square again. Friedel reacted well to the initial effort, but couldn't get it right out of the danger area.
Oh, that's great awareness. Full marks to him as he was just that bit quicker than everyone else on the follow-up.
He's made it two, and no doubt he's hungry for more. All square again into the dying minutes. 90 minutes up, we're into stoppage time.
Well, they're supposed to be chasing a goal, and yet there's no urgency or sense of awareness. They've got to wake up.
Well played, he saw that coming. Now they can break here. And it's played forward. It's a fine challenge and it goes his way. And that has been clubbed away. And that is that. What a game, wonderful stuff and the right result. Neither side really deserved to lose. Your reflections then, Jim?
Well, neither side could get over the line here. Perhaps one team might be happier, but at the final reckoning, it's honours even.